mystery wrestling boxes.
Yeah.
But they're from a local shop called What the Lou.
Yeah.
And I believe his name's Chris, I can't remember right now. I'm also trying to look at the directions so we don't go somewhere. I need a 5A. Here we go. We're going to go to Nashville.
Sounds
All right.
good.
So we're going to go to the store, pick up the stuff. Could not ship it because some items were so big. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go in first, introduce myself, say, hey, Home Slice, I'm here to pick up my stuff. Miss Rebecca and the kids, maybe the kids will help me because it may be a little bit big. But we're gonna have Miss Rebecca have some averted eyes, so she is not nailed with the surprise. Yes, Stella.
We should bring the peacock mask.
Well, we should have brought the peacock mask, but Miss Rebecca may have got a little car sick. So, but we're gonna do a little store view, and then we're also gonna hit up kind of a little lunch place we think that may be kind of fun. So join us on this weird edition of a mystery box. Peace out. See you soon. different today, Miss Rebecca and girls. So we just got back from Louisville, Kentucky. We just went to this store called What the Lou.
Yeah.
What the Lou hooked us up with a couple of large priority boxes. Nope. They are mystery boxes.
Yeah.
Okay? So we did some mystery boxes. Now we sent the owner, Chris, we sent him some stuff that we liked. And obviously he was like, I may not have everything that you want. But he did his best. So Miss Rebecca and I got one for each. Miss Rebecca sent some things she thought I'd like. I sent some stuff I thought Miss Rebecca would like, and so on and so forth. But with all the snow and stuff, he was actually going to hand deliver these to us. I'm glad he didn't hand deliver them to us because we got to go check out his cool store.
Yeah.
So we're just going to go top to bottom and see what we got in our wrestling box. Now, if I open this and it kind of looks like the one that I gave you, I'll let you kind of dive in, but I really don't know.
Okay.
Avert your eyes!
What is it?
Oh my.
What is it? What is it?
Okay, I am gonna say this one was for me.
Oh,
That's okay.
dang it.
Nope, that's okay. All right, you can. Okay, hold on. This is just great.
Woohoo, I did good.
Don't know where to go.
I did good.
I don't know.
I did a good job.
Okay, keep your eyes averted.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh. Punk. Rowdy Piper. That's a neat little thing.
Pretty cool.
A little
Like a little
vinyl.
Funko. You like that?
Yeah.
All right, avert your eyes.
Vinyl aggression.
Avert them!
Alright.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. Hollywood Hulk Hogan. Hulk still rules.
It's like a DVD.
Yeah.
It's a DVD. We learned about that today, didn't we?
The girls learned about a DVD today.
They actually learned about a VHS as well. Here's a little comic book we're going to throw your way.
Ooh, Undertaker.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
All right, avert your eyes.
Okay.
This is just great. I cannot wait to put this on the refrigerator. 3, 2, 1, go. From the No Holds Barred movie.
No ring, no ref, no rules. Hulk Hogan. That's
really
neat.
cool.
Yeah. Avert your eyes. This is so cool. 3, 2, 1, go.
Coco Beware
Like a little figure.
with his little parrot on his shoulder.
You like everything about this.
I love everything so far.
Did
Avert
you
your
do
eyes.
a good job?
Oh, did a great
Adorable.
job. Avert your eyes. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh! Superstar card game. This is like old.
Yeah, it's got Mr. Perfect and the Ultimate Warrior on it.
Wow.
So guess what card game we could play while we're eating, girls?
It looks like Uno, kind of.
It's gonna be so fun. All right, this is a football card, but a $5 store credit.
Oh, cool.
Does it on a card? That's awesome. I love that.
That's neat.
Yep. Okay. We're gonna go T-shirt next.
Okay.
Didn't realize we were gonna be getting a T-shirt.
Okay.
Avert your eyes,
Okay.
'cause I'm gonna show the camera first. This one's pretty cool. Let's see if you can figure out who it is. Uh-oh. Hit the camera.
I'm excited.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ultimate Warrior.
Nope.
Rowdy Piper.
Nope. What are
Road Dog. Rob Van Dam.
That's it!
I
Impact
didn't
shirt.
notice the V.
Yep. That's a cool shirt.
It's a cool shirt.
All right. Avert your eyes.
Okay.
Look, still. Avert your eyes.
They're
Oh,
closed.
this is awesome. 1, 2, 3, go!
Who's that?
Bret the Hitman Hart.
That's
Action
cool.
still moves.
Ooh, that's a good one.
All right, you're gonna love this one,
Look
Miss
at the red
Rebecca.
nose. Oh, I didn't know.
Avert your eyes, Miss Rebecca.
Okay. Who's it?
Stella's peeking. Big old cheater. Yeah, you were. You have no idea how much fun these were.
Ready,
3, 2, 1, go.
Finger wrestlers.
Sexy
Sexy boy. Sexy boy.
Can I try? Hey.
All right, are you pretty sure that's my box?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
you did perfect. Perfectly done on that one. All right, so we're gonna put this stuff over here to the side.
Okay.
All right, let's try to stack this up just a little bit there. All right, still right there, that's good. Let's go for your box.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I'm excited.
That'd be cool if we had a box.
Maybe next time you hang.
Like some books. Your eyes.
I don't know what to do. Okay, avert your eyes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Gonna go here first. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh. Ooh, this'll be good. Cactus Jack. No holds barred. That'll be
Like that.
yeah, that'll be
Okay.
yucky.
Another Undertaker comic. Here, let's put
Undertaker.
your stuff to the side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, put yours over here. All right. Avert your eyes.
Okay. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Pay your taxes, IRS. Do it. He'll come get you with his briefcase.
Oh no.
You also got a $5 store credit.
Nice.
What are those?
Avert your eyes.
Okay.
Ooh.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
It's time! 1, 2, 3, go!
Vader time. Rah, rah, rah.
It's a bendy. That's cool. Avert your eyes.
Okay.
I'm excited.
3, 2, 1, go!
If you smell what the Rock is cooking, I love the Rock. I love the Rock.
Avert your eyes.
Okay.
This is quick and fast. You're gonna love it.
What is it?
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah. It's a sticker.
It is.
Super
It
size
looks like a sticker.
stickers.
Yeah.
So good. DX.
You were looking at him.
Avert your
I
eyes.
was looking at for DX stuff when we went there, wasn't I?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh! If you smell what the Rock is cooking.
Do you love everything about that? All right, avert your eyes.
He's cute.
Avert your eyes.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Not gold dust. Is it gold dust? Who is it? It's gold dust. I just never saw him silver before.
He's silver dust.
I didn't know gold dust was silver.
He's silver dust.
All right, avert your eyes.
Is he silver?
Avert your eyes!
I'm looking at the figure. Okay. What is it?
This.
What is it?
This is one of the best shirts we've ever got.
Oh, what is it?
Let me see, please.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh. Broken.
Delete!
Delete.
All right, avert your eyes. I gotta bring something in from the
That's
outside.
awesome.
You may stay right there.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a good shirt.
Okay.
Avert your eyes.
Delete. Okay.
All right, avert your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, here I come.
Here you come.
Hold on.
I'm ready.
Keep them averted.
They're averted.
Okay.
What is it?
3, 2, 1, go!
It is a chair. Neat. Oh, that's heavy.
It's a real one. Watch the light.
Oh. This is heavy. It has marks on it.
Thought that would be a pretty good one, didn't you?
Yeah.
You want to set her down on the table?
Can I do that?
Here, I'll take it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a pretty good one. So
Wow, that's heavy.
It's I mean, this is what you get for the pay-per-view chairs.
Wow.
So this one was something, but it's got KO.
Yeah.
Lesnar, all of them.
Ooh, that's good.
It's nice and cushiony.
That's heavy.
That is heavy.
Avert your eyes. Avert your eyes.
Okay,
There's one more thing.
ready.
Okay.
They are averted. My
All right.
head is.
So, let me show the camera. Okay.
I'm ready.
So, 3, 2, 1, go.
Survivor Series, November 18th, 2012.
Okay.
Kmart.
Are you ready?
Yeah. What is it? It's the Miz chair! It's a Miz chair. It's a Miz chair. It's a Miz chair. He's my boyfriend.
That's your.
I'm just the husband. So, how do you like that?
I love it.
How cool is that chair?
Mwah.
Is that gonna be your seat?
You know what it is? It's.
Awesome!
Alright, so how do you feel about our boxes?
These are amazing.
I think these are some of the best mystery boxes we've ever got.
I think it is the best mystery boxes we've ever got.
Oh, man.
I
All right.
mean, dang on.
I'm telling you, it was a good one. All right, What the Lou in Louisville, Kentucky. You can hit them up on Instagram. We'll put their stuff in the description.
You
Go-
have to check them out.
You
They're
do.
amazing.
And really, the thing about it is this is a great wrestling box. They're really a t-shirt shop.
Yeah.
Got hundreds and thousands of vintage t-shirts. And
So cool.
Like, it is a cool place. All right, until next time.
Peace out,
That
y'all.
sounds scary.